Ka Rasong Tribal Music Festival ne katamasa halor kaput katem tenrai ki riulum kalasdang kasngi palay ha ususu tham auditorium bat ha ki saudong Shongkun Shongkun State Central Library Shillong. Katamasa kalasdang da kajingelang play kabala sakhi ya ki jingpen inam ki ba ipu iping bat kajingi shimbanta na ki babun ki nong ruai bat nong put nong tem tenrai lembat ki riu don sap baper. Hakani ka jingelang Menteri Ketenat kam jungok kai perthai ka jalla uba pol lingdo ulalong ukongsan harengkat ka jingdon lang kiwe kendram kilendan bat ki he officer. Kasngi nengkong jong katamasa kala sakhi ka jingishim banta jong ki riudon sab baper nakaleng ki jalla ka than chatai lammi ngi badro nakiwe ki jalla jong kari bakanthop ya ka Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra bat Rajasthan. Kajingtmu bahakmat jong kani katamasa kalong banwanra lang yakinong ruai bat nong put nong tem tenrai ki batbet lembat ki riudan sap kham tam na ki jalla kathan chate lammi ngi badru nakaleng ki benta kari hakawei karensan kamighalya kum ka jalla ka bapinlong yakani katamasa kanwanra bat ken thupru yaki riudan sap ki bakensai bat kitu ki bawan na shabar ka jalla kin pendap yaki benta bakongsan jong kani katamasa. Hakajo kopor kani katamasa kala ru bansaki ke jingishim banta jong ki riu pau khmat na lor ki wei ki jingpen inam kum hakalyang ka fine arts ki jing bam tenrai ki jingdi balapdem hi bat ki wei Lingba kaput katem ki du halya ki sawangka kani katamasa kathmu ban penyajan ya ki jinge dei hakalyang kalariti ban penne pensa ya ke pateng menbarem kumju ban penshlori ki pateng banwan ban nyokor bat ban tingka ya lagi jinglong riulom bakerpang kani kata masa ba ar sngi kan sakut no menta ka sngi ka ar punyau tarik ujelli
behalf of the government of Meghalaya and on my own behalf, I extend a very warm welcome to all our youth, cultural ambassadors who've traveled from far to be part of this two-day National Tribal Music Festival 2025 named Rasong. For me, the word Rasong reminds me of a book, a collection of essays, Ban Penyeng Laka Rasong by Ma Arti Rambai. A volume that speaks of the wealth of our culture, of our practices, and of the communities that reside and are the proud inheritors of these hills. Today, as we celebrate tribal music, let me remind each one of you that to a tribal, music is intrinsic. Music is in our DNA. And therefore, we celebrate it day in and day out. There is a saying that music washes from the soul the dust of everyday living. Music is both food for the soul and therapy for the mind. As proud inheritors of these hills, we will continue to make music. We have made rapid strides. Today, just last year, we have adopted a state anthem, one of the few states in the country to have its own anthem. I urge upon all musicians to keep in mind, bear in mind, that music is not just a hobby, a pastime, or a profession. It should be a passion. It should transform you into the human being you are supposed to be.